Welcome back to Skillful Freedom. And you can't have freedom if you're in debt. In the world, can you be free when you owe institutions and others money? You can never be truly free. So in this video, we're going to look at the current state of debt in America and how that can prevent people from living a life of freedom on their own terms. So this is some of the latest data. It comes from the Center for Microeconomic Data. And as you see by this chart here, the total debt balance continues to rise. I mean, we went down a little bit in 2012, but back we didn't stay down too long, we being Americans, and it's just continuing to skyrocket. The red is non-housing debt and the blue is housing debt. And if this doesn't apply to you, if you have your mortgage paid off or you don't owe anybody any rent, any mortgage, and you don't have credit card debt or debt that's besides your housing debt, I mean, kudos to you. I mean, you are in the minority, obviously. So household debt ticks up to $17.94 trillion. And the delinquency rates remain elevated. I don't understand this. It's just like with exercise and weight management. We know that we need to eat right. We need to exercise, get plenty of sleep, not sit on our butts all day. People are more obese than ever. Well, this is just like the financial version of that. Never in history has there been so much information, so many resources to help people out get better financially, but yet we're in debt more than ever. So the total household debt increased by 147 billion with a B, and it's reaching 17.94 trillion, according to the latest quarterly report on household debt and credit. Why is it that we have more information more than ever, but people are getting into more debt? And mortgage balances grew by 75 billion during the third quarter of 2024 and totaled 12.59 trillion at the end of September. I'm gonna be anxious to see when quarter four comes out. So household debt rose modestly, delinquency rates remain elevated, but I'm telling you folks, you don't have to be in either one of those categories. If you're in debt, get out. If you're not in debt, don't get in debt. You can never live a life of freedom and live life on your own terms, do what you want to do when you want to do if you are handcuffed by debt. So let's make good decisions. Let's see the value in things that don't cause us to get in debt in the first place. Let's design our life in a way that helps you avoid debt. Or if you take on debt, don't take on too much and you can manage it. But do not be one of these in these categories. I mean, look at this. It continues to go up. And I just don't understand it. So if you want to live a life of freedom and have your own say in the matter and be in control of your finances in your life, then one of the first things that you need to do is get out of debt if you're in debt. And if you aren't in debt, kudos to you. Let's stay out of it. Let's be in control of your finances where you're calling the shots, where you're making money work for you and you not having to work for your money. So I just want to make this real quick video to highlight where we are in America. With as much resources and knowledge and information we got out there, there's absolutely zero reason that we should be at these levels of debt. It makes me sick, makes me sad, but it also makes me feel good because I'm not in that category and I don't want you to be in that category. So if you don't want to be in that category, and hopefully you'll be one of those folks just like me who can work when they want, if they want, whenever they want, wherever they want, and you call the shots of your own life and be in control of your money and let money work for you and you not have to necessarily work for money or work just to get out of debt to pay your bills. Let's shoot higher than that. Let's live a life that's fulfilled, that you have plenty of freedom and escape the rat race, all these crazy levels of debt and delinquency rates, and live life how you want to live it. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you hadn't already, I appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. It's Skillful Freedom. The channel shows you how to live life on your own terms.